Welcome to Bos Homogenizers. Our company is based in beautiful Hilversum, but our impact reaches far beyond our local borders.
What makes our work so special is the dynamic environment in which we operate. We have a nice balance between the workshop and the office, which creates a pleasant working atmosphere.
It is remarkable to see how a relatively small company like ours is internationally active in various countries all over the world. We work together with renowned clients such as Geworden, Abbott, Remaya, Shell, and many more.
Moreover, there is a real family atmosphere within our company, which makes everyone feel at home very quickly.
Our growing company offers many opportunities for new talent. We are proud of our diverse and international clientele. The fact that we have such a global reach from Hilversum demonstrates how reliable and innovative our products are.
What I personally really enjoy is working with enthusiastic colleagues and visiting beautiful factories. Our clients are always happy when we have visited. In the factories, there is a lot at stake and production must always continue. Our services help with that, and that is very satisfying.
At Bos Homogenizers, you get the chance to work in a dynamic and international environment. We are looking for driven people who want to grow with us and become part of our family.
Join our team and experience for yourself what it's like to work at a company where every day is different and where your efforts directly contribute to the success of our customers.
We hope to welcome you soon.
See you at Bos Homogenizers.